Hi students, welcome to Mathtonic. This is the prediction paper 1 for May June 2025 for AS label Pure Maths 1. Okay, so yes, by going through a lot of past papers, we can assume that what kind of questions may appear in the exams, right? And this will really help you to get very good grades in your exam paper. Okay, so we can expect the questions like this kind of questions, the functions questions, right? Then function means this is how to convert a quadratic equation to into a completing square format, right? And we can expect like a graph, right? Graph transformation questions. We can expect graph transformation questions. We can expect good AP and GP questions, right? And if you see for the last 5 year question papers that we have, binomial expansion questions are getting difficult day by day, right? So binomial expansion questions we have, right? And you can expect like trigonometry graph expansion question. For example, if I'm saying y equals to k sine I think theta plus alpha, they may ask you what is the value of theta, sorry, what is the value of k and what is the value of alpha. This kind of question also we can expect. They can ask you the question about functions, right? It may be inverse function, composite functions, right? And they can ask you the question of volume of rotation questions, right? So by going through a lot of past papers, so yes, we can expect or we can assume that what percentage of questions can come. So I have prepared a very good question paper. See that this is a question of trigonometry. Express this question that equals to 1 plus 10x as a quadratic equation in 10x, and hence solve the question in 0, x value is lying between pi to 0, you can see here, right? Okay, so see this kind of question, just I told you that y equals to k sine theta plus alpha. So what is the value of alpha and what is the value of k? This kind of question we have seen in a lot of past papers, correct? Now see the question. See this kind of question we can expect the functions, right? This is composite function. The domain is given. They can ask you find out the inverse function and find the domain of inverse functions as well. They can ask you the question yes, a volume of rotation question they can ask you, right? Yes, and they can ask you the question regarding the circular measures. So I have prepared a lot of questions by going through a lot of past papers. So this will be really helpful for you. Say this is a question of transformation, right? And this is a question of circle that if a line meets with the circle, the what kind of coordinates we can have. So I have prepared a very good question paper. This will really help you, I'm telling you. And yes, we have a very good APGP questions as well. Yes, you can see here the first term of arithmetic progression is cos theta, second term is this one, and what will be the find the possible values of theta as well. So, and as well as I provided the solutions with this question paper. You can see here that I solved the question paper fully, and yes, I uploaded in the given link. Okay, so you can buy from there. So I'm going to give you three papers, three guest papers, three predicted papers. You can see here this is the first paper I have made it. Okay, yes, so please go through the link, download it, and yes, and just all the best for the exam. Thank you everyone, thank you.